So definition of walk is a self loop free alternating sequence and alternating sequence of vertices and edges, that is V0 E1, V1 E2, V2 E3 up to En minus 1 Vn. This is walk. What is walk? Alternating sequence, a finite alternating sequence, a self loop free finite alternating sequence of vertices and edges, that is V0 E1, V1 E2, V2 E3 up to so on. This thing is called walk. So this is the definition. Suppose this is V0, this is E1, this is V1, this is E2, this is V2, this is E3, V0, V1, V2, V3. So this is called walk. Means a finite alternating sequence of vertices, edges, vertices, edges, vertices, edges. Okay, so this is called walk. Type of walk means there are two types of walk. One is open walk and second is closed walk. So what is open walk? Open walk means a walk is said to be open if initial vertex and last vertex both are different. Clear? So a walk is called an open walk if initial vertex and terminal vertex or last vertex are different, and vice versa. Means what is closed walk? A walk is called closed walk if initial vertex and last vertex both are same. Okay, so what is closed walk? So a walk is called closed walk a walk is called closed walk if initial vertex and last vertex are same. For example, suppose this is V0, E1, V1 here, V2 here, E2, this is E3, this is V3. So this is open walk. Okay, open walk means this is initial vertex and this is last vertex. These are different. Okay, and what is closed walk? If V0 and V3 both are same, then this walk is called closed. Means suppose this is V0, E1, V1, E2, V2, E3, V3, and then E4, and V4 is nothing but V0, means this is closed walk. This is starting V0, V1, V2, V3, and then V0. So this is closed walk. Okay. In a walk, number of edges is called length of walk. For example, suppose this is V0, E1, this is V1, this is E2, V2, this is V3, this is E3. So how many edges here? So number of edges is equal to 1, 2 and 3. So length of this walk is 3. So length of walk is equal to 3. Number of edges means 1, 2 and 3. We summarize the definition of walk means first we study walk. Type of walk means open walk and closed walk. In open walk, initial and terminal vertices are different. Okay. Now an open walk is called trail if edges are not repeated. An open walk is called trail if edges are not repeated. A trail is called path if vertices also not repeated. A trail is called path if vertices also not repeated. Okay. Again, what is open walk? A walk is said to be open if initial and terminal vertices are different. An open walk is called trail if edges are not repeated. A trail is called path if vertices also not repeated. Okay. And similarly in closed walk, what is closed walk? A walk is said to be closed if initial and last vertices both are same. A closed walk is said to be circuit if edges are not repeated. Okay. A closed walk is said to be circuit if edges are not repeated. A circuit is said to be cycle if vertices also not repeated. Okay. So this is the summarized study of walk. Okay. So the definition of trail means an open walk is called trail if edges are not repeated. A trail is called path if vertices also not repeated. Similarly, in a closed walk is called circuit if edges are not repeated. A circuit is called cycle if vertices also not repeated. Okay. So this is the study of walk, means walk